Hello, WordPress website creators and business owners. Your website is a growth and conversion tool for your business, and you need maximum conversion, maximum output from your website. Of course, website has to play a major role in converting visitor into customers. In this video, we have a very important discussion through which you can grow 10x 10 times with 20 different conversion tools while saving money and page load time as well. So, what are these tools? I'll show you very quickly. So, we can start with user acquisition tools like lead capture opt-ins. So, I'll show you some examples. Let us take this example. This is a pop-up, in fact, to capture the lead. So, this is a form that comes as a pop-up and collects the lead or the visitor data. Similarly, we have other options like this one is another form and the screen gets locked until the visitor feeds the data or even visitor can escape. Of course, visitor have had the liberty to do uh, the things. Like next can be the lead capture quizzes. So this can be very interactive. And if we check this example, so what is your skin type and take the quiz. So this can be the age and the dry skin or the uh, on nose only and the finally the lead. So it collects some information and user data. So in form of quiz. New users sign up in form of pop-up form. So this is another tool. So sign and unlock all features like sign up with Facebook, continue with Google, and sign up with an email. This is another very important tool. Next, we can discuss sale growth tools. These tools bring sales, pop-up, and slide-ins. For example, this is a pop-up that comes in sliding form and how to dominate e-commerce in 2021. Like just an example, this is countdown timer here and yes, reserve my seat. So it can be linked to a form, right? Next, we have the WooCommerce upsell and cross-sell options. So this is also very good. And we discussed a lot about the upselling options of WooCommerce on this channel. So I'm sure you are a regular visitor on this channel and watching the videos continuously coming on the channel. So this is for upsell and the cross-sell option that can be applied on your WooCommerce store. Cart abandonment pop-ups. Again, this is very prominently being used pop-ups nowadays. So no cart is abundant now. So this is like get 50% off the coupon codes like thing. Similarly, we have review and testimonial widgets. Like for example, this is a review and testimonial widget. Next, we can have the visitor engagement tools like survey and feedback widgets. So this is again, this is a survey thing and the data and the lead capture option. Content widgets like this is another example, request a free estimate or similarly. All comes in form of pop-ups, no doubt. Social chat, any initiations, so initiators you can say. And this is initiation of social chat, so like WhatsApp chat or the messengers, Meta Messenger and all. Next section we have blog growth tools like Televent blog and post widgets. So it can show the related blog and post types or the custom banner ads or the welcome widgets. Further, we have social growth tools like social follow widgets. So this is again very popular like follow me on Facebook or Instagram and like. Next is customer care tools. So this is also very important when you are running a engagement store. Like if you are providing services, this can be very good. Like this is FAQ type or the questionnaire, you can say, and video pop-ups can be also there. Like this is an example of video pop-up. So this shows different categories of videos and good. So these all tools can be availed through a single plugin, and this is Brave plugin that we are discussing in this video. Next is the website management tools like pop-up notification, terms and privacy policy, cookie consent and all. It is all coming from a single plugin, and this is the scenario before Brave. We don't have anything, and with Brave, we are going to be a winner with these 20 tools. So you can apply any of the tools, these tools for your website as applicable for you. And if we talk about the backend and integration, so this is the backend. I have already installed the plugin, and here it is. So all campaigns. So I have yet not created any campaign actually. Okay, so here is the option new pop-up or widget. So new embedded content. So it is totally up to you how you want to proceed. I'll just show you very quickly. This is like I'm selecting this and it can be implemented directly, step 1. And once you are selecting this, you can go for creating this pop-up. Just you need to name hello and you can create a pop-up. And depending upon your requirement, you can select any of these template types for creating pop-ups, and yes, it is done. So you can further customize the pop-ups, like skip the tour. You can customize the things, text, images and everything. So it is just like you are working on a page builder, like you have control on width, pop-up layout, style and the roundness, the pop-up animations, the overlay, and everything is editable, configurable as you need. You can add text, images, the shapes, and the sticker as required for customizing this pop-up and the campaign, you can say. And once you are done, you can simply hit on save and your pop-up is published. So it is very easy to use tools that you can use at your WordPress website, and it is very effective as well. So when you are using such tools, your website goes smart and it collects leads for your business, and you can simply uh, use those campaign outputs for your business growth and promotional activities. Once you have, so you can uh, control, download, enable and disable the pop-ups. So it is totally your side. So you can apply the conditions and all, right? In that it can be for whole site and all. So when a submission comes, you can check the submissions here, and this is the data engine. Data visibility can be there here. And of course, so I have yet not collected any leads. It is showing nothing. Further, we have the integration. So we can automate these all leads, capture leads through through our popular and being used modules. Like if you are using Mailchimp, you can simply integrate with Mailchimp, HubSpot, or on the conversion kits. There are means, and all important CRM providers are here, so you can integrate your CRM directly for lead conversion and follow-ups. Further, we have analytics option where we can check the progress and the utilization of the pop-ups or the campaigns we have created. And of course, the setting option gives some more control in form of the disable leggy loading campaign images, the force hide pop-up, or admins allow other user to access the editor and all such basic things. And all these can be enabled through the video description link at the official website of Brave, and here are the pricing. So I feel it should be available on WordPress repository for free, but I'm not sure. I need to check this. Let us check. Uh, So I must tell you the free version is available at WordPress repository itself. So you can start with the free one. Here is the plugin Brave Popup Builder, pop-up opt-ins, lead generation, survey, and interactive content. And of course, you can go for pro version for a maximum modules, and you can see here the comparison. I'm going to add the link in the video description where you can compare and understand all these things. So my main objective was to show you this beautiful tool for maximum conversion at through your WordPress website to grow your business wisely, smartly, and in a modern style. So in the next video, I have much more useful things for you for your WordPress website. Let us meet in the next. And till then, goodbye. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.